Model, 67-plate Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 130 PS 350 L4H1 front-wheel drive. Massive box at the back. MOTED ultra-low miles spares OR repairs kissy face. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 72,777. MOT, 15 September 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner engine out of timing, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.